Let's talk about the Pi network now, 100 days into its open network era. For years, Pi was in a closed test phase, but now, it's open to the world. The mission? Make Web3 and crypto accessible to everyone, right from their smartphones. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-hungry mining, Pi lets millions earn coins with minimal effort and battery use. Since the open network launched in March 2025, Pi has started to deliver on its promise of a decentralized, widely used digital currency. Now your Pi isn't just a number on a screen, it's usable in a growing ecosystem of apps and services. This period is a real-world test for the network's stability and scalability. The core team is closely monitoring as users migrate balances and start transacting. We're seeing new apps, global community events, and the beginnings of a true platform. Think of it like the early App Store days, just a few apps now, but a vibrant ecosystem is coming. The Vision Pi as the native currency for decentralized apps people use every day. The first 100 days have set the stage for what's next. The real test, and opportunity, starts now. One major leap is Pi Ventures, the investment arm fueling the Pi ecosystem. They're funding real apps that create genuine utility for Pi, not just hype. Take Fruity Pi, a simple game and marketplace where users grow, trade, and sell virtual fruits using Pi. It's proof that microtransactions and real economies can work on the network. Pi Ventures support signals a focus on tangible products. Then there's PiFest, a global event where thousands of businesses in over 150 countries accepted Pi for real goods and services. For many, it was the first time spending Pi in the real world. Events like PiFest build confidence and show Pi as a true medium of exchange. Businesses tapped into a new customer base and users saw their digital coins become real currency. The vision of a peer-to-peer Pi economy is moving from dream to reality. Every transaction brings it closer. This is utility in action. The new PI domain name service is a game-changer for user experience. Forget long, confusing wallet addresses. Now you can claim a simple name like alex.pi. Domains were distributed via community auctions, using Pi as the bidding currency. This created a dynamic marketplace and a real use case for Pi. Your PI domain becomes your digital identity across the PI ecosystem. Imagine logging into apps or sending Pi as easily as sending an email. It's a huge step for usability and security. More than convenience, it's about ownership. Your identity is yours, not controlled by a corporation. With .pi domains, users have true self-sovereign identity on the blockchain. This is a core Web3 principle, and Pi is making it accessible to millions. It's a small change with massive implications for adoption. The foundation for a user-friendly decentralized internet is being built. Pi is putting digital identity in your hands. The last 100 days have brought crucial upgrades to the Pi ecosystem. Improved developer tools and a new royalty model now reward creators for building great apps. This is attracting more developers, who are launching everything from social media to freelance platforms on Pi. Each new app adds utility, strengthening the network. The strategy: more users attract more devs, more apps bring more utility, and the cycle continues. On the user side, wallet security and recovery have been overhauled. The new social recovery system lets you regain access through trusted friends, no more lost wallets. These upgrades lower barriers for both developers and users. Pi is becoming the easiest place to build and use Web3 apps. In just 100 days, the momentum is clear. The ecosystem is maturing fast. So what sets Pi apart? Over 55 million users, 5 million migrated to mainnet, tens of thousands of nodes worldwide. Pi's focus has always been utility and accessibility, not speculation. No insider token sales, just a simple app and a vision for everyday people. The long and closed mainnet period let the community and real apps grow before Pi hit the market. Value comes from real-world use, not hype. Pi is building a peer-to-peer economy where the currency is a tool, not just an asset. The first 100 days of Open Network have been transformative. Real use cases, new apps, decentralized identity, and major upgrades. Pi is methodically making Web3 accessible to all. The foundation is solid, and this is just the beginning.